Tungsten, you're such a good yoga dog. Or are you just waiting because you're ready to go? Are you ready to go for a run? Are you ready to go for a run? Yeah. We are going to run a 5K for charity this morning. Conditions are not perfect, but we're doing it anyway. And we're gonna freeze on their behalf. It's gonna be great. Okay, gotta get this hat situation figured out. Tungsten, it's so snowy, buddy. All right, it's pretty snowy out there. So we got all the layers, all the gear. We're probably gonna freeze, but luckily 30 minutes from now, it's all gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. 5K today, it's gonna be great. It's really snowing and slippy, but it's gonna be it's a great day.
Just let me know, if you need time, just tell me so.
9:16 pace at 5,200 feet. I feel really good about that. Yeah, altitude, that's a bitch, kids, that's a bitch. But it's over, yay. All of these Colorado people did not show up. I'm guessing due to weather. All those Colorado people are weenies. They did not show up. We are downtown Boulder. We just did brunch. And what do you do after brunch in Boulder, Colorado? You go to Patagonia. Conditions are still not perfect. Do you want to be in it? What? Do you want to be in it? Ah! Oh! Let's go! For the vlog, I'm at a party, but I'm not gonna show everybody because people like privacy, except these two. I'm just forcing them into the vlog. Yeah.
So forcing.
This is Irene, this is Christopher. You're welcome, world.
It's his birthday.
And it's his birthday! It is the end of the party. Chris is dancing, but I can't show you any of it because they're private humans. And they're awesome. And they're my friends, and you don't get to know who they are. Oh, except Chris. Yes. Famous. Yep. All right, thanks everybody for watching. I will see you tomorrow. I will put up a quote on the screen because I don't have one right now. What's the quote? You got a good quote? What's your favorite quote? It's your birthday. It's your birthday quote.
It's all about me.
Okay, that is gonna be the quote of the day. It's all about me. Chris Sherma quoted here.